Hey everybody, welcome to camp. Today at nature, we're gonna go for a little nature walk, so get on some good shoes and let's do nature. You can cut it. When you're out walking today, let's try to pay attention to the details of nature around you. For instance, like these bugs on the bottom of this leaf. Wherever you might be walking today, remember that nature is all around you. So take a minute, sit down in a shady spot, and just watch. Being in nature isn't just about what you see, it's about what you hear too. So as you're walking, make sure to listen. If you listen carefully, sometimes you can find patterns in the sounds of the birds. I hope everyone took this opportunity to get outside today and spend some time in nature. It really can be revitalizing to you.